Hello, dear students. I hope you are all well and happy by the grace of God. I am your teacher, Romila George, and I welcome you in your social science class. Today, our topic is water. This is the picture of Earth. The larger part of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Students, the blue color in the picture shows that how much water is there on the surface of the Earth, and green color shows the land area of the Earth. Water is very important for all kinds of life on Earth. Humans need water, animals and plants need water too. All living things need water to live. There are two kinds of water, fresh water and sea water. The water found in the seas and oceans is salty. It cannot be used for drinking or growing crops and plants. All animals drink fresh water. Humans also use fresh water for drinking, cooking, washing, and growing crops and plants. Here are the sources of water. Lake. When water collects in large amount in one place, it forms a lake. Lake contain fresh water. Streams. When the snow on the mountains melts in the summer, it becomes water. The water flows as a stream from the top of the mountains to the valley. Streams flow into nearby rivers or lakes. Rivers. A river is a very large stream of water. It flows from the mountain tops down through the valleys to the plains. Rivers also flow towards the sea or ocean. There is fresh water in the streams and rivers. The sea. A sea or ocean is a large body of water. Rivers run into the seas and oceans. When fresh water from rivers runs into the sea, it also becomes salty. Students, do you know how this fresh water becomes salty? Okay, I tell you how this happens. When fresh flowing water passes over different kinds of soil, it carries the salt from the soil to the sea. This is why the water in the sea is salty. Rain. Rain falls from the clouds and forms puddles and streams on the surface of the earth. Water in the puddles and streams does not stay for a long time. Some water flows away and some sinks into the earth. Underground water. Rainwater which sinks into the ground is known as underground water. In villages, underground water can be brought to the surface with hand pump, or people dig wells to get groundwater. In cities, people use electric motors to bring the underground water to the surface of the earth. Water from rivers, lakes, and ponds is cleaned and stored in tanks at water plants. This stored water is sent to homes through pipes. Water from rivers and wells is not always clean. Saving water. Students, saving water is very important. We know that we need water so much in our lives. We should not waste it. If water is not used carefully, we will face a shortage. Many people in the world do not have enough water for their daily needs. What can you do to save water? Saving water is as easy as turning off a tap. Here are some simple things you can do at home to save water. Do not keep the water running while you are brushing your teeth or washing your hands. Take shorter showers. Ask your parents to fix dripping taps. Dripping taps can waste several buckets of water every day. Reuse the water that is used for washing fruits and vegetables to water the plants in your home. Students, I hope you all understood the importance of water and you will try to never waste the water. It's time for home task. Home task. Choose the right word to complete the sentence. Rivers flow to the sea and dash. You have to choose a word and then write it in the blank. Your options are A. Lake, B. Ocean, C. Streams. What will come in the dash? Ocean. Then next is rainwater sometimes dash into the earth. Options are A. Streams, B is evaporates, C is sinks. What will come in the dash? Sinks. Number 3. Sea water is dash. A. Salty, B. Fresh, C. Green. What will come in the dash? Salty. Make a list of the way in which you use water. Your exercise B is make a list of the way in which you use water. You have to write only the words, okay? Like earlier I have told you, cooking, washing, bathing, like this, okay? So there are 5 blanks, you have to fill it. Exercise C is write 4 ways how we can save water. You have to write the ways you can save water. Exercise D is answer these questions. Number 1 is what happened to rainwater when it falls on the earth? Number 2, why must we always drink clean and fresh water? Exercise E, choose a word from the list given below to fill in the blanks. The list is to, water, enough, need. Many places in the world do not have dash water to their daily needs, for their daily needs. The next is there are dash kinds of water. Number 3 is all living things dash water to live. And the last is dash is very important. Students, you are requested any home task or activity given to you, do it in your school copy. When you resume your classes, marks will be given on the basis of home task or activities. Thank you, students. Always try to save water. God bless you all.